One thing that's really important for us is working with other institutions in the UK, particularly universities, helping to upskill students. We've been working with Nottingham Business School and Nottingham Trent University for this course. Using Zoho Creator, it opens a lot of doors. So the students we've got today on the course, they're all from Nottingham Business School. They're all on business courses. So they're not coders, they're not developers, but after today they will be able to code, they will be able to develop apps. The idea is that the students will leave with a fully built, fully functional application that they could use if they wanted to, but the idea is beyond that, they'll have the skills they need to build something else again. So when they go into their role, when they leave university, their manager could say to them, we need an app building, but we're going to have to hire a developer. It's going to cost us tens of thousands of pounds. They could say, hold on a minute, I can do it with Zoho Creator. And that's a powerful thing to say to an employer.
I mean, employers tell us that they're looking for a range of different skills and attributes from graduates. Becoming more and more important is the digital skills. So understanding of data, understanding of coding and how they can utilise that to make organisations more efficient, come up with innovative ways of solving problems. Any exposure we can give them to changes in industries, changes in technology can only benefit them as they enter the graduate world.
Our Zoho Creator team has come over from India for this event. They're the real experts in everything Zoho Creator. They live and breathe it, they build the applications. They help people build their own applications. The value of having them here to talk to them directly, you can't match that.
So Young Creator program is for students, but we also go for business schools and technical schools. So I'm from a business background as well, so I'm not a coder or a developer. So from my point of view, it's a platform where you can build applications with very little to minimal coding knowledge you have. Few years ago, if you had told me that I could build an application for like my marketing processes or business processes, I would have said no because I can't code, right? But with Creator, you could do that. You can just build an application, a small process that you want to automate, you can do it without coding. There's also code, if you know a little bit of coding, you can use that Deluge scripting language that Zoho has. And then you can also use your pro coding knowledge and build extensive enterprise level applications for your businesses. Unless you get into it and explore it yourself, you would not know the magic or the capability the product can offer for you. So we have like a work along with them. We are showing them the product and they can build along with us. So they do have a lot of questions on how it works. If someone who don't know, like not very much involved with the coding or the technical side of things, so which is personally like I relate to them a lot. So they do want to know, okay, how does this work? Like why is there like, why is there a field? Why is there like a little bit of coding? What else can I do with it? I think they're very much involved and, participating, very active.
If you thought that software programming was hard or rocket science, then this is the program for you. It's not harder, it's not rocket science. It's absolutely simple. Anyone with any level of technical expertise can become a programmer using Zoho Creator.
I'm doing international business at Nottingham Trent University. It has nothing related to computers, coding, anything like that, nothing. Just like a 2-day workshop, and then you can do the basic. I just did the hello with name on it, and I was very happy and proud of myself that I did it. I can tell people that I code now. With your CV and everything, if you're doing a business degree, it's quite the same. Like you have the same skill set, you have the same maybe experiences and stuff. Things like these make you stand out as a candidate for the job application. So I think it does help.
The market is so saturated. You need to have something unique about you that sets you apart from your competitors. The real eye-opener for me was definitely the placement year and realizing you do need to develop your skills more than what you're just being taught on your course. That application we created yesterday was a full stack developer's job, but we managed to do it just over a couple of hours. And if you didn't come from like I was saying, a computer science background, it might take you years. It's amazing the things that you can do in coding. And it's definitely worth picking yourself up and coming in because it will broaden your horizons.
When we talk about the digital skills gap, there can often be a gap between the skills employers are wanting and the skills that students have. So this program working with Zoho will help bridge the gap for these students and hopefully make them much more employable.
This course is the first step for these students in bridging that gap.
They are the future, right? So we want them to know and be well equipped when they're in the scary big world.